Today I am reviewing ASUS Vivobook 16 F1605 Business Pro. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The ASUS Vivobook 16 F1605 Business Pro laptop is a refined combination of performance, portability, and practicality, making it an excellent choice for business professionals, creatives, and multitaskers who demand reliability without compromise. From its powerful internals to its sleek design, this laptop stands out in its class as a versatile productivity tool. At the heart of this laptop lies the Intel Core i7-1355U processor, a 13th generation powerhouse with 10 cores and 12 threads, offering a base frequency of 1.2 GHz and turbo speeds up to 5.0 GHz. This ensures smooth performance for demanding applications, whether you're working with spreadsheets, editing documents, or handling light multimedia tasks. Coupled with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, this Vivobook effortlessly handles multitasking, allowing multiple applications and browser tabs to run seamlessly without lag. Storage performance is another highlight of the Vivobook 16 F1605. The 1TB PCIe M.2 SSD delivers blazing fast boot times and swift file transfers, meaning you spend less time waiting and more time working. Whether you're storing large files, presentations, or software, the generous SSD ensures there's ample space and speed to handle your workflow. The display is where the Vivobook truly shines for business and creative work. Featuring a 16-inch WUXGA display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels, this laptop offers an 86.5% screen-to-body ratio and a comfortable 16:10 aspect ratio. This translates to more vertical workspace, ideal for productivity tasks such as editing documents, browsing spreadsheets, or managing multiple windows. The screen delivers sharp visuals, accurate colors, and a balanced brightness level that is comfortable for extended use, whether in the office or on the move. From a connectivity standpoint, the ASUS Vivobook 16 covers all bases. It features one USB-C 3.2 Gen 1 port, two USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 ports, one USB-A 2.0 port, an HDMI output, and a headphone/microphone combo jack. These options provide flexibility for connecting peripherals, external displays, and accessories, which is essential for business productivity. You also get Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, ensuring seamless wireless performance. The Vivobook F1605 comes bundled with a PCO notebook folding Radiator laptop cooler, which is a thoughtful addition for those who plan to work long hours or run resource-heavy tasks. This accessory improves airflow and keeps the laptop cool during intensive use, prolonging the laptop's lifespan and maintaining peak performance. One of the biggest strengths of this laptop is its operating system, Windows 11 Pro. Compared to the Home Edition, Windows 11 Pro offers enhanced security and management tools, making it ideal for professional use. Features like mobile device management, group policy, enterprise state roaming, and assigned access make this laptop suited for both personal productivity and business environments. In terms of build, the Vivobook 16 maintains a slim and professional profile. At just 0.78 inches thick and weighing under 5 pounds, it is portable without compromising on screen size or performance. The numeric keypad is another plus, especially for professionals who frequently work with numbers, adding extra convenience to data entry tasks. Battery life on the Vivobook is reliable enough for full workdays, although this can vary depending on usage. For those constantly on the move, the bundled laptop cooler adds peace of mind by preventing overheating. The included webcam ensures smooth video conferencing, while the combination of portability, performance, and connectivity makes this laptop a true business-ready device. Ultimately, the ASUS Vivobook 16 F1605 Business Pro laptop is an excellent choice for professionals who want a powerful yet portable machine. It blends a high-performance processor, generous memory, expansive storage, and a vibrant display with practical features and accessories, all backed by ASUS's solid engineering. Whether you're working remotely, creating content, or managing a business, the Vivobook 16 delivers the performance and reliability you need. If you want a business laptop that offers speed, comfort, and flexibility without breaking the bank. The ASUS Vivobook 16F1605 is worth serious consideration.